Hi guys, it's Rose and Daniel. And welcome back to Cheap Lazy Vegan and another mukbang video. Yay! Daniel is joining me for this mukbang because I'm in London.
Yay, visiting me.
Yes, I'm visiting Daniel in London and we are in Hyde Park at the moment, which is a very, very big park in West London.
Yeah.
And we are about to eat something very special. What are we eating, Dan?
The KFC vegan chicken burger.
We are eating KFC, guys. So we are now at KFC. Did you ever think you would eat at KFC again, Dan?
No.
we're at KFC in London, and we got ourselves some KFC. And guess what? We are still vegan. So they have this new thing called the imposter burger, which is basically like a vegan chicken, right?
For a limited time only though.
Yes, for a limited time only. I think today and tomorrow are the last, but I think they're just trying it out to see how popular it is, and then they're gonna see if they want to continue. So we got 2 burgers and 2 wraps.
Because I suggested that one wouldn't be enough. Because
Yes,
normally it's not.
that is true. And the fries, because I think they fry it in the same oil as like the meat, so it's not like vegan friendly, I think. Oh, sorry. So we have not had KFC probably in over 10 years.
Yeah.
So it's kind of a weird thing. I don't know how to feel about this. We don't know how it tastes, so we'll see. So basically KFC in the UK, I don't know about anywhere else, but they came up with this vegan burger that is with vegan chicken, and it's called the imposter burger. And they also have wraps. So we each got a wrap and we each got a burger. And we are going to eat with you guys. So let's do this. Okay, so I do apologize for this very non-professional setup. My camera is not really working today, so I have to film with my phone. I also don't have a tripod. So clearly I'm a great YouTuber. We also got some sauces. Their barbecue sauce and their hot sauce. Wait.
Is that close enough?
Yes.
Oh.
Ooh, la la.
It smells really good.
So that is what the burger looks like. So I believe the chicken is from the brand Corn, which is like a plant-based like
Meat substitute
brand in the UK. So that's what it looks like. And the wrap looks kind of sad, but I'll show it to you anyway.
It does look kind of sad.
But I mean, it's a wrap. It doesn't really... That's what the wrap is. This is the imposter wrap.
Maybe once you take a bite out of it, then you can show like the...
Okay, shall I take... No, let's do the burger first.
Okay.
I feel like the burger is more special.
Okay. I'll be in here.
Okay, let's take a bite at the same time.
Okay.
Wait,
Ready?
let's do a little thumbnail. Hold on.
Okay.
Okay, let's take a bite. 1, 2, 3. That's chicken. It tastes like chicken.
It does taste like chicken.
It's a bit dry, but it tastes like chicken. It is just like chicken.
That's crazy. That is crazy.
Wow. That like actually tastes like chicken. Hold on, I need to eat a piece of this. Yeah. It really has a chicken taste.
Oh, it's so weird.
I'm gonna get some hot sauce.
Oh, good idea.
Dip in some hot sauce.
I'm gonna have some barbecue. That is crazy how much it tastes like chicken.
It's really good with hot sauce.
And then the mayo is so good too. The vegan mayo.
So it has vegan mayo, lettuce, I think, and the corn. It's very simple. Oh my god. I hope they continue this. So I think it's available like for a limited time only.
I think it's done now for this weekend because it's until July 15th or something.
I think so, but then they're probably gonna like. I feel like they're gonna continue this.
Well, because when we were in there, there were so many people ordering it. So hopefully, here to stay. So if you're
That's
watching,
so good.
if you're watching KFC, keep your vegan burger.
Apparently their fries aren't vegan though, because I think they're made in the same.
They're like cooked in the same.
Like, is that why it's not vegan?
Yeah.
Yeah, it must be.
It's all blurry now, Rose.
Oh my god, why is it all blurry? Okay, so should we try the wrap? It's probably the same, but in a wrap.
I feel like it's just like.
Yeah.
I want to sip. Can I have a sip of this?
Yes, of course.
Okay.
So this is the wrap. Is this better than Temple of Satan though?
No. Temple of Satan is like the
But
best.
the chicken is like so realistic.
It is. It's kind of weird. It's freaking me out a little bit.
So this is the wrap. So I think this is just the wrap version. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
It's got like a ranch flavored mayo or something. Is that just me? It's like.
It has a mayo. I almost like the wrap more.
I think I like the wrap better.
It feels less dry.
And it also has like coleslaw or something in there as well.
Oh my god. I really hope they keep this, and I hope they bring it to Canada. I feel like I heard that Canada also had like a vegan KFC. Where is it, Dad?
Can you see it? Right there. There.
Just kidding.
I was gonna get it for use. It's good, right? So, wrap is better. By a lot.
Can you believe we're eating KFC right now?
The wrap is just so juicy.
Yeah, it's a bit more juicy. Anyways, should we talk about something?
What are we gonna talk about?
I don't know. It's been a while since you've been on my channel.
It's been so long. What's been going on? Well, I'm still in London. For how much longer, I don't know. We'll see.
I can't get over this.
I know the wrap is like.
It's really good.
So if you do go before July 15th,
Which you will.
yeah, get the wrap. The burger's still really good, but the wrap is like.
I heard that there was only like this location in London that was selling this.
Why do they do that though? I don't understand. Like, I guess it's because they're just trialing it.
Yeah.
But like, would you want to not trial it at a few more locations to see? Like, I don't know. But I guess maybe it's like expensive for them to trial stuff.
Maybe. But like, they should just bring it on. Think about.
Because they have literally no vegetarian options,
exactly.
do they?
Think about the vegetarians, right? We're not just talking about vegans. We're talking about how many vegetarians are there? A lot more than just vegans.
And like at the moment, before this, KFC wasn't really an option for vegetarians or vegans.
So like we would never go to KFC.
Exactly. It's opening up to that market. And this goes back to talking about how, you know, like people that go vegan, they're like, oh, like, are we making a difference? And it's like showcasing it, because basically retailers, they're going to respond to where people spend their money. And you can see that right away. If they're trialing these kind of burgers, they're trying this stuff, it's because they know that there's money to be made in that area, because more and more people are willing to purchase this stuff. So it does drive change.
Yeah.
And we're seeing that everywhere.
There's so much vegan stuff in London.
It's crazy.
Like, it's literally everywhere. It's shocking. And when did I leave? 2016, so like 3 years ago. I feel like it like became so much more like mainstream.
It's definitely like skyrocketed in the last kind of like three to 4 years. Even think about like, remember the first year, your first year in London, you went to that like Veg Fest, and it was like, you know, kind of busy, whatever. And then the second year you went, that's when I joined you.
It was crazy.
It was like lined up around the block. It was over 2 days or 3 days, and like it was like super cool.
I wonder why in London it changed so like dramatically.
I don't know. Because it's a big city, you have a lot of people here, and like I don't know.
I want to do a boomerang with your. Can I save a boomerang?
Yeah.
From your camera. Wow, it's actually really good.
On my Instagram, right? Oh, here we go. Okay, boomerang.
So save it, and then what's that mean?
How do I save it? Oh, this one.
Yeah.
Clearly, I'm not good at the Instagram.
Okay, so what do you think, Dan? Is it delicious?
It's good.
Would
I
you
really
come
like
back to KFC to purchase this if you
probably would. I mean, my first stop's always Temple of Satan, but you know, if I was somewhere else and I wasn't in London and there was a KFC and they're like, I'd go there for sure.
It's actually kind of crazy. Or are we just vegan and we don't remember?
No.
I feel like I remember what chicken tastes like.
No, exactly. You would remember. Like,
this is very impressive. I think if you gave this to someone that eat meat, they wouldn't really know.
they'd be like, oh,
It's chicken.
This is some interesting chicken.
Anyway,
This is so good.
did you miss me, Dan?
Of course I missed you. Did you miss me?
Every day.
Lies. Well, it's exciting because you're here, and then in like 3 weeks I'm going to Calgary
I know. We'll film another mukbang day. A proper one next time.
with like a tripod
Yes.
and a little bit more professional, you know?
So Dan and I filmed our mukbang together for the first time. My first mukbang was with you,
Was it actually?
and you were being really awkward.
Which mukbang was it?
I think it was like a pasta mukbang, and you're like, I don't want to chew.
Oh no, I remember. Yeah. God, that was like way back in the day. Been there since the beginning. Well, not the beginning, but like.
Pretty much.
Yeah. The fact that it was like you had what, 30,000 followers or something?
I don't remember.
Yeah, it's crazy. It's crazy how things have changed.
Now you live in London. I don't live here anymore.
Nope. And Rose is now a YouTube sensation.
Just quite filling. You're like,
Are you glad we got the burger and the wrap though? Because I feel like if we just had
yeah, it would have been a short video.
exactly. Because Rose was like, oh, when we get to KFC, we're like, let's just get one burger, and I was like, no, let's get 2 burgers, two each. She's like, no, 2 burgers. But actually, it was the perfect amount of food, I think.
Well, I didn't know that they had a wrap as well. They also had a salad.
Which would have been like probably the same stuff as this, maybe like shredded up
Yeah.
on some lettuce.
Yeah. But we don't do salads, do we, Dan?
Not on holidays. During like my regular week, yeah. If I'm on holidays, I'm eating everything.
Are you on holiday right now?
Yeah, technically. I'm on holiday.
Dan took time off to spend with me.
Because I'm a good friend.
And where are we going tomorrow, Dan?
So, tomorrow, we're off to Malta.
Malta! I feel like a lot of people don't know where that is.
I didn't, well, I kind of knew it's like an island in the Mediterranean. But I didn't realize like how far south from Italy it was.
Oh, really?
Yeah. It's like I think it's like closer to Africa. I could be wrong.
You're probably right, because when I told people I was going to Malta, people were like, is that in Africa? Maybe it is in Africa. Does it count as Africa?
No.
It is Europe, right?
It's part of Europe. It's like I think it used to be a British colony. Oh, actually, no. It's closer to like Sicily. So there's little Malta. But the weather's supposed to be so good. Like it's gonna be 30, 32 or something, 33 the whole time we're there.
Oh my god. And sunny.
Which is amazing. Yeah, I mean it's been pretty decent in the UK, but today it's like
It was really nice.
today's a bit colder, gray skies. The usual summer here. I just like devoured mine.
Oh my god. It's so good.
That wrap.
Yeah.
I would get a wrap again.
You wouldn't get the burger again?
No, I probably would still get the burger, but I think
The burger's pretty good. I think they're both pretty good. But yeah, the wrap has more substance.
Or it just has more like, because you're right, the first thing you noticed when you bit the burger was it a bit dry. But the wrap was like, because it has more like stuff, like mayonnaise, like vegan mayo and ranch or something in there, it just makes it that much better. You're eating this.
You can eat it.
You don't want it.
You want the remnants of my wrap?
I always eat your leftovers.
Match made in heaven.
That's good.
Yeah, that's a good amount of food.
Perfect. See, we're not like. See, I knew this. I knew essentially for the video we needed to have that.
Well, I was planning to have fries,
Yeah, true.
but they didn't have fries.
I mean, it's okay if we had fries, then I'd say we didn't need to. But actually, that's the perfect amount of food. I don't feel like stuffed. I feel in a good, happy place.
That's impressive. Oh my god, this was not planned. Yesterday, I found out that this was a thing, and then yesterday, I told Daniel. Did I tell you this morning or yesterday?
I think you told me this morning.
Oh yeah.
We're like, oh, we're gonna do this. Oh no, you told me yesterday evening.
Did I?
I think when we were back home.
I don't know. I can't remember when I found out about this.
When you were like, yep, we're doing this tomorrow. I was like, okay, cool.
Yeah, I was like, oh my god, this is a thing, and I was like, let's do a taste test. And clearly, I was very unprepared for this.
Yeah, that's the truth.
All right, you guys. So I'm sorry if that was not very professional, but that was my mukbang video.
Yay!
You saw us eat, okay? That's the point.
Exactly.
Right?
You got to see us stuff our faces with KFC.
Yes, you will have more mukbangs with this one at some point when he comes back to visit me.
Yay! Longer mukbangs and we'll
actual mukbang. Maybe we'll get people to ask us questions.
Yeah. Oh, that'll be cool.
Yes.
And you know what we should? We'll have some really good lighting so you can like see our faces better. You know.
You don't need to see your face. I need better.
See how nice she is to me, honestly. So now we need to say goodbye, don't we?
I feel like I look.
You look like you're drunk, Rose.
Okay, Dan, would you like to say the goodbyes?
All right. If I could, you might have to cut this because I don't remember how it goes. But thank you so much for tuning into another episode of Cheap Lazy Vegan, where we stuffed our faces with KFC mukbang. Don't forget to subscribe to my Instagram, or sorry, my Instagram, Rose's Instagram, Cheap Lazy Vegan.
Maybe subscribe to my Instagram.
No, follow you. Okay, let's scratch that. Start again. Follow her on Instagram, Cheap Lazy Vegan. Obviously, subscribe below if you like this kind of content, and why don't check out your website as well?
Yes, I have a website.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks, guys.
I apologize for the shitty video.
See you guys again soon. Oh God, don't. Are you okay, bro?
I'm choking on KFC chicken. All right, that was it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I apologize for this unprofessionalism. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. That was vegan chicken. KFC, please sponsor me. Bye.